Welcome to PageFly video tutorial series. In today's video, I will show you how to create a converting page in the holiday season by using PageFly. I will only use available elements in PageFly to create a complete page that helps you promote the store during the holidays, especially for the Christmas. So firstly, let's go ahead to the PageFly dashboard. Choose regular page in the page type section, then select create from a template. Below the template categories, choose the holiday page. If you are looking for a Christmas template, you can search Christmas in the search bar, and select the template you want. I will choose Sparkling Christmas. Now, we are in PageFly Page Editor. I will show you how to adjust a countdown timer. Using countdown timer is a tips to encourage customers to make decisions quickly. Firstly, you can change the heading text from Christmas is coming to Christmas sales ends in. Next, you can click on the countdown element, move to General tab to set up countdown start. There are 3 options to set up the countdown timer, including at a specific time, on the first visit, and on every visit. In this page, I will choose at a specific time. You can scroll down to set up other parameters for countdown timer. We also have a video tutorial about countdown timer. You can find it in the description for more details. You can adjust the style for countdown in the styling tab here. Next, we need to have a section to give more details about the upcoming sale campaign. Here it is. You should click on the product list to select custom collection here. After that, you can freely adjust item per loading, item per row. You can enable product badge to highlight the discount, and products in stock to create a sense of urgency. To make the page more lively, you can add animations to elements. You can click on the element you want to add animation. I will add element for this one. Next, go to the General tab, scroll down to Animation, click Animation Setting, and choose the animation you want. It would be great if you have a bestseller product, right? Show this product will help you push your sale. You can add featured product with our pre-made section. Click on this plus icon to open pre-made section, choose feature product in categories. After that, you should select the product you want to feature in custom product here. I will choose this one. Now, you can freely edit the product details section in General and Styling tab. Now, you can see here. This product section has the same style with other sections. Now I will add a parallax scrolling background to this section. Click the section on the breadcrumbs. Go to the Styling tab, scroll down to Background, and click Parallax. Add an image here. Click Save and Publish and check on Live Page. You can see parallax background here. Parallax background creates a visual experience of your overall page. People also love proof, so it's truly important for your store to have customer reviews and testimonials. You can use content list element if you want to build this section from scratch. If you want other styles for the testimonial, check testimonials in pre-made section. Finally, at the bottom of the page, you can use a customer form to collect customer information. This information will go to the customer area in Shopify admin. And then hit Save and Publish. And then check the live view to see the whole page in real time. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching.